everyone. So today we will learn geology and our topic is lithosphere. So what is lithosphere? The solid part of the earth known as crust on which we live is called lithosphere. So first we will learn about continental drift. So there was a supercontinent, all the continents were joined, it was called Pangaea, and there were two parts of Pangaea, Laurasia and Gondwana land. So it was 180 million years ago. So 65 million years ago, the continental rift continued to move. The South Atlantic rift continued to move, resulting in a perpendicular lift, whereby finally Greenland got separated from North America and India moved towards Asia. Later South America got separated from Africa and moved northwest. But Australia was still connected to Antarctica. So now India moved further northwards and collided with Asia, which resulted in the formation of Himalayan mountain ranges, while South America moved west and connected with North America. Australia was completely separated from Antarctica. So this was the story of continental rift. So all the continents are known as lithosphere. So here is India. So the highest point on the lithosphere is, I will show you, it is Mount Everest. It is Mount Everest. It is in China and Nepal. It is here or here. It is somewhere here. Okay. So all the continents are North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Asia, Oceania and Antarctica. So the largest continent is Asia. It contains India, and then it is the Africa in size, second in the size. So Africa contains the largest desert of the world, Sahara Desert. It is the second largest continent. So then is North America, third largest. So North America has the USA and Alaska and Canada and the Greenland. So then it is South America, the fourth largest. It has the Brazil and the Amazon, the largest forest in the world, and it contains the largest river, the Amazon. So what do you mean by largest river, Amazon? So the longest river is Nile. It is in length, but the river which contains the most water and spreads in a very large area is Amazon. And then it is Antarctica, the fifth largest. It is full of ice. And then it is Europe. It is separated by Asia by Ural mountains, like here. Okay. Together Asia and Europe are called Eurasia. Then it is Oceania. You may have confused in Oceania. Australia, New Zealand and other small countries made Oceania. We call it Australia, but it is Oceania. So there are many layers of the earth. The first you have learned in third or fourth class, crust, mantle, inner core and outer core. So, but in the language of science, in the more scientific language, we call the crust lithosphere, mantle the mesosphere. There is a mesosphere also in the atmosphere, and inner core and outer core together we call barysphere. So this was all for today. I will meet you in my next video with another topic. Till then, bye.